Hi guys, welcome back to my diary. And if you're new here, in this space I talk about forex related stuff, the mistake I've made, and most important, the lesson that I've been learning and I keep learning so that I can share with you. If you find this video very interesting, kindly hit the subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think, and share the video so that we can grow together. And again, happy new week. It is another week and we have to analyze the chart to know what the week has for us. And in today's video, I want to do a recap of the trade that I took last week. Some of them I even shared. And if maybe you took time and you went and look at them, maybe you found an opportunity, but it is what it is. The first one is GPP card, and this one I missed it. Actually, I missed GPP card, but it is okay. You can't have everything. You appreciate the one that you have. On GPP card, I saw a double bottom that was only on daily. I saw this double bottom and I marked my half, and this one was my neckline. So I was waiting on the lower time frame for me to get an entry. When I went to 4 hour, I wanted to find an entry so that I can enter the market, because whenever you're entering the market, your stop loss is much important than your profit. Okay? Where you put your stop loss is very much important than where you put your TP. So I was expecting that this market might come here, so that I'll enter that market, so that I don't encounter a lot of losses. So but it never came. So I missed that opportunity, and today, because today is on a Monday, I see my TP could have been hit in case the market could have gone, because I wanted to enter around. I thought that this candle, this green candle, I thought it will come and retest, then I could have entered. But you see, it never reached here, because this is where I wanted to enter, but it never came. In fact, it only came to this red one. Let me remove this one. I wanted this market, because when I went to 4 hour, I wanted this candle to come and retest at least maybe to this zone. So I placed my entry here, but it missed. Instead, it only went here, and from there it has been going up, and today my TP could have been hit. So I missed that one, but it is okay. So how many pips was I anticipating in case it went my direction? I could have got like how many pips? Like that is around 100 pips, but it is okay. But at least you see that is the pattern that I used, a double bottom that was on daily, then you go to lower time frame and scale it. And again, I'll come back to GPP card. Let me show the other ones. This is the setup that I saw in GPP card. You can go and watch that setup. It is still there, but it is okay. Now the other one that I feel so happy about is Euro USD. I even posted again on my TikTok, and on the short, like on the YouTube short, I gave this entry before even it happened. This is a double bot. This is the pattern that I saw on Euro USD, and the same patterns apply to GBP USD and NSD USD. It is the same pattern. If you are in my Telegram group, I posted before it happened. Like I just posted it and I told people, can you just go and watch? Maybe you'll find an entry. And I even said, if you get an entry, this is where we'll exit. And you can always try and see where the market can go to. So this is the double top that I found it on Euro USD on 4 hour, and I marked my half, and this is my neckline. Just simple, like I just like analyzing the chart in the most simplest way. Don't overcomplicate this. Apply one pattern that you know. Just apply across all the pairs that you love, and that's simple. That's simple. Just apply one pattern and apply in all the patterns that you have, and you will see good result. So the same double top is on GBP USD and NSD USD. I marked my half and my neckline, and I went to lower time frame for entry. And when I entered now to lower time frame, you'll find a pattern rejection candles, but on 4 hours, this is what you see. I entered from here, and you know what? This is where my TP was, because I had two trades. Now the first TP was hit. The second one, it has not been hit, but at least I've broken even. In case it goes to wrong, in case it goes against me, I'm well protected. But still, I'm waiting. I'm hoping it will go and hit the TP, or maybe when it comes to around this place and I see that it is misbehaving, then I will exit the trade. But again, I've already broken even. Whatever happened, I'm safe. But the first TP was half because I told people in case we get an entry, the first TP should be at the half. The second TP, if you have two trade, three trade, you can take around this zone because you see this candle, it has no wick, so there's a chance maybe the market could have come here. But anyway, that is what happened. The same thing applied to GBP USD, but I never took the GBP USD. I only took the Euro USD and NSD Euro USD alone, and the GBP NSD I missed on GBP card. Okay. See the same pattern again on GBP USD because we are using the USD, they are sharing the same USD, so that is why they have the same pattern. The same thing happened to GBP USD. That is where I had marked, but I never took this trade, and you see it is still ongoing, but I never took GBP USD. So I'm just concentrating on Euro USD, only that they have the same pattern. Unless the fun thing, if you get a pattern and you have already understood that pattern, applied in all the pairs that you get, as long as you get an opportunity, just apply to that pattern. You see the same pattern of GBP USD, my half and my neckline and everything. So I'm just waiting to see what will happen. Again on NSD USD, the same thing, but this one was not exactly that clear because the double top on the 4-hour, it had not yet reached exactly here, but I was just monitoring in case it goes bad. Again, they follow each other because of the USD. And see the same thing is happening. The same pattern on Euro USD is the same pattern on GBP USD and the same pattern on NSD USD because they behave the same, like they're triplets, something like that. And the last one is GBP card. No, GBP NSD. Now this one is a special. This one is special. I'll do a video, like I just want to do a detailed video because I posted it again, and this one is long. You will enjoy this video because I want to show you a complete double bottom, how a double bottom can move from one step to another. You see, this is a double bottom that was on daily. This is the half of the double bottom, and this is the neckline. And now this market has already broken the neckline, and it is heading to the half of the, like when you see when the pattern is already completed and the neckline has been broken, the distance that pattern is supposed to go should be the exact distance from the double bottom to the neckline. Now this is the length of that double bottom. It is supposed to go to this zone, then it will go to this zone. And you see it never reached the half of the double bottom. It never even reached the half, so it is retesting, and it can be a deep retracement because this market can even go to this place so that it can get the energy to go and complete the whole of that pattern. But again, it is not a must. We try and understand what can happen. So after I found that this double bottom has already broken the neckline, I was waiting for the retest, and I went to 4-hour, and in 4-hour I found a pattern that will support our buy because already we are buying, we are not selling. So I was waiting for a pattern that could support our buy because you cannot just enter the market, and as I've told you, the market can easily go back and create any other pattern down there. So it is your work to find where can this pattern find a complete retracing so that it can go up. I went 4-hour, I found another double bottom. You see, I've even written the double bottom, and now I was waiting for this market to complete retesting, show me some rejection candle, give me something like an entry so that I could enter the market. I went to 4-hour, and now this one is a detail because I want to do another video about it. I went to 1 hour and I was looking, can I find something that will support me, because at least have something like 3 confluences that will encourage you, like will give you motivation on why you are entering that market. I went to 4-hour, and you know what I found? I found a W. A W is another form of a double bottom. Like I want something that will give me the strength to tell me like it's okay, you can enter the market. Like now I went to 1 hour, I found after 4 hours I found a double bottom that was only on 4 hour. I went to lower time frame because your stop loss should be very, like you don't want to lose a lot of money, so you have to go to even lower time frame. You see what is happening. I found this W. You see, I've even drawn here. I was waiting for retest, then I enter, and this is where I entered. You see, using this candle. I entered using this candle because I knew if this market does not go down, then I'm okay. Then I entered with this candle from here. This is where I entered, and the market is still ongoing. It is still ongoing. It is going up. It is going down. It is hard. Waiting is hell. I entered on around was it on Thursday or Wednesday? I don't remember exactly, but I entered last week. Still, the market is ongoing. You see the way it is going up, it is going down, but I believe it will reach here. It will take time, but okay, it will reach here because I've not used a big lot size. So it's okay. I'm using only 0.01 because I know it will take time, but I will come and update you in case it will reach this direction. Okay. So that is the trade I took. It is a special trade. I'm still watching it. So today I don't have a lot of, I'm not entering any trade. I'm still watching on this one because I want to see what will really happen. Will it ever go to this zone? Because you see on 1 hour, it has already created a W or another double bottom. I'm expecting even in the 4 hour, it will create another pattern like this. You see, I'm expecting maybe even in 4 hour, it will create another pattern before it goes, but already on 1 hour it has created. So I'm saying this is maybe the first leg. Maybe it is going, it will come and create the second leg, then it will go up. But let's see what will happen. It will take time, but it's okay. It's okay. It will take time, and because this one is a swing trade, I'm not using a big lot size. So that I'm just using a 0.1, the one that maybe you can use the 0.2 and other, maybe the trade that takes like a day, 4 hour, that one, but a trade that can take a week, no, you don't use a big lot size. So that is the trade that I took, and I hope it will go to my direction, and I'm so happy at least whatever I analyze, it is coming like true. You just analyze and you leave the market to play. Just let it be. As long as you trust your analysis, just let the market play. Because, and again, when you go to 1 hour, there is a lot that is happening. You see, when I go to 1 hour, I'm like, hey, emotions, they are real. I'm feeling, do I just close? Then I'm telling myself, no, just wait. If your analysis is correct, just wait, because even in EURUSD, it proved me like it will just go. I'm waiting for whatever will happen. So when you come to 1 hour and you feel like there is a lot of emotion, maybe the market is going against me, just go to higher time frame so that you can slow down that process. Okay, you can slow down that process. And again, it is very hard to record a video and you have a live trade. It is very hard, but we keep pushing. This is a diary and we have to document everything that is happening. We have to document until when that day I'm there. I will tell you, can you just go and look at my previous video down below and you'll see where I started. So those are the trades that I took last week, and I hope it will go to my direction. I really hope GBP and SG will behave. It really has to behave, because I'm really waiting on GBP and SD to see what will happen, and I'll come and do a detailed video about how to trade a complete double bottom. You see, this is a complete double bottom, and it is almost heading. It can take time, but it will go here. It can even come to this zone, but let's see what will happen, because trust me, this is a pattern that when you spot on 1 month, like in a month, when you spot this pattern, you'll be happy. I just spotted it here, but I hope those people who spotted it from this double when it started, they are so happy. But anyway, now let's go to GBP card, because there's something interesting going here. There's something interesting in GBP card. I want to give you a homework. Can you go and see what is happening? GBP card, I find it very interesting, because do you see where the market is right now? You can just go and see that market. Do you see where that market is right now? Do you see? Let me remove this one so that we can concentrate and see what is happening, because I find that something good is happening on GBP card. And I always say I'm using only double bottom and double top on this channel, because I want people to understand. You don't have to use like 20 patterns, 30 patterns. No, just apply one pattern. Like if you are selling, let me say, if you are for example, if you are only selling tomatoes, then the next day you are selling clothes, then what are you doing? If you are known for maybe you are selling tomatoes, just be selling tomatoes, at least maybe until they give you profit. But don't move. Today you are selling tomatoes, tomorrow you are selling, I don't know, clothes, the other day you are selling shoes. No, concentrate on one thing. What is this thing doing? Concentrate on one thing. And that is why I find it took me so long to understand. You don't have to master like 20 patterns, just use one pattern. Practice it, practice it. If you don't find it, it's okay. Tomorrow you'll find an opportunity. You see, and in 1 week you can find so many opportunities. The other week you don't find, it is okay. Okay? Now on GPP card, this is what I'm seeing. There is this double top that the GPP card is heading to, because I already missed this opportunity. Now there is this double top that is happening on GPP card daily. Let's see on weekly. Is it there? It is not there. So this is a pattern that we are going to concentrate only on daily, but if it violates, it's okay. There is no pressure. If this pattern is violated, it's okay. We can head to the other zone here and see what will happen. Just apply one pattern, then just use it across all the pairs. That is what I'm trying to say. Now you'll come here and you'll mark your zones here. I'm giving you homework. So by the end of the week, tell me, did it happen? What happened? That is what I want to know. So let me mark out this zone faster. And this one should be color. I want it to be color green. Color green, so that's the red for danger. We know red is for half. Because where the TP is, it should be danger. For me, I have to be alert and happy at the same time. So I mark my half. I want to see where my half is. This is where my half is. I don't know if it is exactly clear, but at least we have different brokers, and so this one should be color. This kind of, you know, this is not exactly red, pink somewhere there. So what I want you to do, let me put this one to be color white, because I just love something simple. I don't want so many things like that. So I want you to go and watch out on GPP card. We might have an entry in case we get an entry. Okay, and you can use lower time frame for entry. You don't use only one time frame. For entry, you use lower time frame so that we don't have a big loss in case the market goes against us. In case we have an entry, we are going to have like how many pips do they have? That is around 52 pips. Those are clean, good pips for 52 pips. But let's see, in case we get an entry, can you just go and watch what I'm trying to say? You can go on lower time frame, you try and see, will you get something like a pattern, like something that will help you see that, like we just need something like retest, a pattern that will give you strength, like you give you a confirmation that we can enter that market. And in case we enter that market, do you know where we are heading on lower time frame? Because lower time frame is always faster than the higher time frame. In case we get an entry, this is where our TP will be. You see, to this area, because this is where we have a red candle, and the market can easily come to that zone, because the market cannot just go anywhere. It will always go somewhere. It cannot just go random anywhere. It will go somewhere, and that is where we can easily get our TP. You can place it exactly at the half or just below the half using the lower time frame. So I'm watching on GPP card, and in case it obey our structure, well and good. It will be like maybe my 5th time telling you exactly what is happening on the market. I'm not perfect. I'm ready for in case I make a mistake. I'm also a market student, and anything can happen. I'm just giving out my views. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you'll enjoy today's video and you will practice what I'm telling you, and you don't have to go from one mentor to another. It has costed me a lot, when to gather information from this mentor to another until you come up with your own strategy. It takes a lot of time. For that person who you're still new, concentrate on one person, okay, and you will be there. Don't just be patient and you will be there. So thank you again for watching today's video. Until next time, bye bye.